Hi guys, I'm back and I'm about to start the storage room organization and cleanup.
In this crazy life we live.
The first thing I need to do is pull everything out of this storage room, or at least almost everything.
We all need someone to hold.
As I'm clearing out the room, I'm thinking to myself, what did I get myself into? But I do need to have this room more organized so I can store a couple of my boxes in here.
A friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold.
I did manage to find 5 or 6 garbage bags full of clothes, so off to the donation center they go.
Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together.
To be honest, I didn't know how we had so much stuff packed in this small room.
Ride or die, let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down.
Here I noticed some clothes that I was saving for Jayla that used to be Jade's, really. So I'm going to put these in a consignment sale.
You, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah.
So here I am doing a little wipe down, just trying to get some of the dust and things off the shelf before I place items back where they need to go. Maybe doing part 2, I'll be able to paint and do any repairs maybe needed on the floors and things like that. Here I'm building a little shelf. Since I had this extra shelf in here, I might as well display it to store a couple of items on.
Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to.
Believe it or not, cleaning and getting this room cleaned and organized is actually very satisfying.
In every single way, with you, I find.
The kids had so many fireworks from the 4th that they still have a collection here. So what I'm going to do is organize them so they'll be able to come straight to them next year.
Solace in the warmth of your embrace.
Sometimes life feels just like this room, messy, overwhelming, and a little out of control. But step by step, piece by piece, we can put things back in order. Cleaning isn't just about the space around us. It's about clearing our mind and making room for new energy. So don't wait for the perfect conditions. Start where you are and what you have. Progress is still progress, no matter how small. Remember, you're not just cleaning a room, you're creating peace for yourself. So here is the completion of part 1. These boxes that I have here, they will be removed. I just haven't had a chance to go through them just yet. And also the towels would be up in the shelves above, so I will take care of that. And at least it looks pretty organized. The hair dryer would be removed, and it has a clear walk through pathway. So I think I'm on to a very good start.